Hey guys, Tracie here with Ministries.com, and in this video, I'm going to unbox the Tyndale sponsored giveaways for the Women of the Word Bible Journaling Conference. This is happening in October 2024, and now's the time to sign up. If you want to sign up, I will put the link in the description. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this just arrived at my house, and I'm actually headed out the door, so I have to do this unboxing relatively quickly. So they sent me this huge box, and it's full of Bibles. I am so excited. Okay, so let me do this. Let me put this on the chair next to me. Oh, it's so heavy. And I'll just pull them out one at a time for you. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that without hurting my back. Okay. So let's see what we have. Okay, so I'm going to start with the mega one, which is amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh. Uh-oh. Let me try not to hurt myself. We have the latest and greatest New Living Translation Inspire Journaling Bible. Now, I have done a whole review on this. This is amazing. You're going to love it. I did accidentally damage this box, so I'll try to give you my box. But if not, I will tape this up for whoever wins this. But it looks like I have 1 and 2 to give away. Wow, you guys, this is so cool. Again, I've already done a review, but let me just do a quick show for you. For those of you guys who haven't had a chance to see these. But these are amazing. These are spiral bound NLT illustrating Bibles. And these are in conjunction with Dayspring. So awesome that we're going to have 2 to give away during the conference. But let me just show you real quick. So you have your reading plans. You've got your art in the middle. You've got your 2 columns on the edge. A lot of people like this art in the middle, and you can just see like the different types of art you can use, or you can do it yourself, you know, with the blank ones. This also is filament app enabled, so it's basically like having a whole library of resources in your pocket, commentaries, study Bibles, all that. You just download the filament app, scan it in, and it's like you have your whole library with you. So I'll just do a quick flip through for you, so you can kind of see some of these. But I did a whole review on this, and if I remember, I will link it in the description so you can run down there and check it out if you want to see the whole review. But I love this Bible. It's great, and I have one myself, and yeah, it's amazing. So we're going to be giving away 2 of these amazing NLT, and when I say NLT, I mean New Living Translation illustrating Bibles. So I am beyond thrilled and beyond thankful for Tyndale. Once again, we reached out, and they have always supported our conference and supported you guys with these amazing Bibles that they give us. So, oh, you guys, holy smokes, this is amazing. So I have the Inspire Faith large print edition. You know, I actually haven't seen this one, so I'm going to have to do a review on this one by itself. It's hardcover. And this is the Inspire Faith Bible, but it is in the large print. So you get, I mean, it's pretty huge. Really good font size here. It is filament app enabled, so you're going to be able to use the filament app as well. Again, NLT translation. It says there's 650 faith-themed line art verses. It is a 10.23 font. You get the 3-inch ruled margins. And it looks like they say some transparency pages. I'll have to check those out. And this is going to be the white paper for those of you guys who are interested. So this is very cool. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited about this one. I don't have this one. Look at this. Wow. I have the giant print Inspired Prayer, but this is the Inspire Faith. Look at that, you guys. Gorgeous. And then again, you can do your coloring or you can do your own journaling here. Totally lays flat, nice hardcover. So this is amazing, you guys. I'm so overjoyed. I've still got a ton more to share with you, but Inspire Faith, large print edition, filament app enabled, super cool. Oh my goodness. Try to get it in here. Oh, come on. A little bit under the weather, so if you hear me kind of clogging up I'm just going to put this aside, with a clogged nose, you'll know why. Okay, you guys, I have 2 of this one. This is the Every Women's Bible. Now, I have done a whole review on this, but these are amazing. So we're going to have a gold, soft gold-like, leather-like one, and then we're going to have the beautiful sky blue leather-like. Now, I have done a review. I'll link it below if you want to see those in depth, but just let me show you real quick so that you guys can see just how gorgeous this is. Look at this beautiful gilt here on the end. It's gold, just completely gorgeous. Look at these beautiful devotions that you can use as well. You've got some additional information here as well, some highlights for you. White pages, filament app enabled again. Absolutely gorgeous. So this one here, it has the New Living Translation, so the NLT. It's got practical features by more than 100 women from around the world and in many walks of life. You're going to get color photographs and an beautiful interior design. They say it's equipped with the filament app, which I already showed you. And again, I did a complete review of these Bibles for you. So again, I will link that below, but you guys, we have 2 of them to give away for the conference. So how do you win? Like, how do you win one of these? Number 1, we ask that whoever's winning provides a U.S. shipping address. So make a friend in the U.S. if if you want to win. But all you have to do is just register for the conference, and then you get to be entered. So you don't, technically you don't have to attend the conference. We want you to attend the conference. You'll learn a lot. There's a lot of free stuff at the conference. It's an amazing conference. We don't charge for it. It's absolutely free. And it's amazing. So I hope that you will consider signing up and attending our wonderful conference. Women of the Word Bible Journaling Conference. So this is the Courage for Life Study Bible for Women. It's brushed aqua blue leather-like, it says. NLT translation, equipped with the filament app. Gorgeous Bible. Now I don't have this one either. This is exciting. It's the first time I've seen it. Came with a bookmark here. No kidding. I was going to say no kidding. It says Bible study on every page. No kidding. Huh. There you go. Bible study on every page, it says. Shows you, listen to the word. It's got God's covenant here. You pray, observe, you interpret, you apply. Pray, observe, interpret, apply. So yeah, that's a Bible. That is a nice little Bible study on every page. Wow. This is some work they put into this. Filament app enabled. Wide margins for your notes. Apparently it has a listen to the word feature, which connects the Courage for Life audio Bible. Who knew? This is cool. I'll have to do a more in-depth review of this, but for now, you're just going to see what I get to see. Initial blush. You get a topical index. You get a map set. Again, the filament app enabled. Some notes here, some devotions it looks like, some Bible study in every page. Very nice. Here's your maps. Very nice. Ooh, this one's exciting. They're all exciting. I just haven't seen this one. So anytime I get a chance to see a new Bible, I get super excited. So I am going to do a review on this one later down the line for you. But wow, I love it. I love it. Wow. Okay, last one. Wow, finally got to the end of the box. So this is the Holy Bible King James Version Wide Margin Journaling Edition, dark brown, medallion, leather-like. Words of Jesus in red, single column, Bible text. Lay flat Smithstone binding. Full color visual overview of the Bible. Whoa. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Boy, just beautiful. Look at that gold gilt right there on the side. Very nice. I love this. So this features, it says, 2.2 ruled margins. So here on the side, this is a white page too, for those of you guys who are curious about the color of the page. 8-point font, single column. Words of Jesus in red. Let's check it out. There they are. Words of Jesus in red. You get the Tyndale verse finder, the full color visual overview of the Bible, presentation page, ribbon marker, and the classic King James Version of the Bible enabled with the Filament app. Again, like having an entire library in the palm of your hands with your smartphone. So very cool. Look at that. Just gorgeous, you guys. Just gorgeous. I am super excited. Wow. Tyndale, you guys, thank you so much. Tyndale is so amazing. They have been sponsoring our Bible Journaling Conference for the year. This is our 6th annual Bible Journaling Conference. And every year, our sponsors support us with these wonderful, wonderful Bibles. And we give them away so that you guys can have some fun, some fun while we do this conference. So I hope that you guys are as excited as I am about this conference, and I hope that you will go ahead and sign up right away so that you can have your chance to win one of these beautiful Bibles. Again, we have 2 of these. Here's that other one right here on top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Bibles from Tyndale to give away during our conference. So sign up right now, you guys. If you like these giveaways, give it a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. You have a wonderful day and God bless you. Goodbye.